Welcome. So, we understand job analysis, right? So, in today's lecture, we only understand some simpler words regarding job analysis. So, we understand its meaning, its uses, who conducts job analysis. So, these are some simple things related with job analysis, and it makes some ways for us to understand further lectures, right? So, what is job analysis? So, as its name indicates, job analysis. So, it is the analysis of your job, means it is the anatomy of your job, and it is the process of collecting all the information regarding your job, like its nature, its quality, its qualification, and what are the physical and mental things necessary for your job, right? So all these information is collected by job analysis, right? If you don't know what is the nature of your job, you can't determine who performed your job, means you can't know what type of human resource does this job needed. If you don't know what are the qualities this job required, you does not know what type of employee does we have to hire, what type of people does the job needs, and what are the qualifications of this job. Means every job is different, as every employee is also different. So you have to find out correct employee for your job with right qualification, with right skill, and with right talent, right? So you have to put down people who is capable for doing such jobs, right? So you have to also find out that what are the physical and mental needs of these jobs. Why? Because some jobs need physical strength and some job needs mental strength. So it is always important to analyze all these things in detail regarding to the job, so it will be easy for the organization to put correct employee at correct place, means right employees at right job, so they can perform their task very well, and they have to be motivated regarding their jobs, right? So for example, if you want some marketing people and your marketing job is required, so if you put some finance related people in your job, it does not make any sense. It give you always loss. So if you have properly analyzed these marketing jobs, it will be easy for you to put and hire some people, skilled people who know everything about marketing and how to deal with marketing strategies, right? So it is all about to analyzing your job, and it is all about to putting correct people according to your job, right? So job analysis give answers to the some questions like what is the purpose of your job and why this job is conducted, right? What are the physical and mental strengths related to your job, means what are the physical and mental capacities the task holder needed. Task holder means the employee needed, right? So it is all these questions answers that job analysis give. It also give answers like when the job has to be performed, where the job has to be conducted, and what are the conditions that our job has to be done, right? So for example, some jobs are done in day and some jobs are done in night. So these are the conditions that our jobs hold. So job analysis gives answer to these questions in detail, and these answers help our organization to know what type of job it is and how to allocate our human resource so that all these answers can be done in efficient and effective manner. So this is all about job analysis, right? So we can say it is a systematic examination of your job, right? It is a detailed analysis of your job. So what does examination mean? That it has to be obtained all the answers of the questions, and it is the detailed examination of the job that is needed for every organization to find out the people and human resource, right? So here we have to learn three words. TDR means task of your job, duties related to your job, and what are the responsibilities related to your job. So when we find out the tasks and duties and responsibilities